Blockchain is a type of distributed ledger technology. This means that it operates through the use of the shared database. A database is made up of the series of blocks or the units of digital information which are connected and secured with cryptography. To gather these blocks from a chain, a blockchain is often made up of such multiple chains which are referred to as blocks. Importantly, the database is constantly and continually updated. New blocks are added to the end of the chain, which makes it extremely difficult for anyone to go back and edit the older records. This updating process is done through the process known as mining. In blockchain, mining refers to the process where the miners complete using computers to validate the transactions and add the new blocks to the end of the chain. To do this, the miners use so-called mining rig, which is a massive computing device. This device requires a lot of energy to operate and is designed to solve complex mathematical puzzles in order to add new blocks. It is estimated that it takes 10 meritorious transactions to establish a block. Once a new block has been added, it is the time locked by the cryptographic algorithms. This means that it cannot be removed or altered in any way. The new block is connected or chained to the previous block, making it difficult to change the past information. The fact that blocks are constantly and continually updated is what makes blockchain so useful and secure. It is this feature that allows the cryptocurrencies to work and thrive. This is how blockchain works.